This is how my hair looks like after using rice water, guys. And I don't know if you can see in camera, but in person I see a huge difference. Like, it feels so smooth and soft. Like, you can see a shine to my hair, bro. It's fluffy too. Like, what? Look at all this, guys. Look at all this. What's up, Lions? It's your boy Twin Salvador. Hopefully this video will help you guys out because, you know, most of you guys are probably growing out your hair. And, you know, rice water will help speed up that hair growth. You know, you don't want to be in the awkward stage for too long. You want your hair to be long as fast as possible. So try using rice water once a week to help speed up your hair growth. So there are many benefits when it comes to applying rice water to your hair. Like, for instance, it makes your hair thicker, makes it smoother, shinier, makes it grow faster, and it makes it grow longer. So in this video, I'm not only going to be showing you guys how to make the rice water, but I'm also going to be showing you guys how to apply the rice water on your hair and when to apply it and all that. Before I get into the video, I'm going to show you guys how long my hair is at the moment. So I'm going to get this hair strand right here, my widow's peak. Dang, my hair is long. I did not know my hair was this long, shoot. So yeah, it goes to here. It's like above my bicep, under my shoulder. So that's how long my hair is right now. And let's see how long it gets after applying rice water. I'm not gonna expect crazy results like 2 inches overnight, but you know, hopefully I'll see some progress, even slightly. We'll see. So let's head over to the kitchen. So making rice water is very simple. All you need is water and rice. That's all you guys need. You guys need the tools as well, like maybe a jar that has a lid. And having these measuring cups will help as well, but you don't have to have it. So the proportion is, for every tablespoon of rice, you need a cup of water. So if we're having 1 tablespoon of rice, we're gonna need 1 cup of water. If we're gonna have 4 tablespoons of rice, we're gonna have 4 cups of water, all right? By the way, guys, any type of rice is fine. Right now I'm using brown rice and it's natural whole grain. So any rice is good, but organic rice, natural rice is probably gonna be slightly better. So I'm gonna be doing 3 tablespoons of rice, 3 cups of water, right? Once you have your 3 tablespoons of rice, you're gonna have to rinse it out with water. So you don't have to put that much, like that is fine. And, you know, just like clean out the rice with your hands, you know, because rice is not clean, you know what I'm saying? You gotta clean it out. And once you feel like it's clean, just pour it into the strainer. So I'm gonna pour this rice into here. Oh, this is not here, I'm gonna do it in the sink. But here's the clean rice, and now I'm gonna pour it back in here. I'm just gonna use my hands, I don't care. My hands are clean anyways. Alright guys, now that the rice is clean, now we're gonna pour 3 cups of water since we used 3 tablespoons of rice. Alright guys, that's about 3 cups of water and 3 tablespoons of rice. See that? Alright guys, so there's 2 ways to do rice water. You could either leave it here how it is right now for 30 minutes and the nutrients should be in the water and then just apply it to your hair. Or you could ferment the rice water into a jar and leave it in for 24 hours. I heard that fermenting the rice water, you get better results because the nutrients is more strong. So I'm gonna ferment the rice water. You know, why not? I'm gonna get the best of the best. Yeah, I'm just gonna pour all this in here. Dude, this is gonna be messy. Should I just pour it in like this? You know what, YOLO, you only live twice. You don't live once, you live twice in my world. And that's it, guys. You just gotta leave this in here for 24 hours. I recommend putting this in a dark area. For instance, like putting it inside a cabinet. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna leave the rice water in there for 24 hours. I'm gonna shut this, by the way. So if you leave it in for 24 hours, then at post 30 minutes, you'll get better results. Alright guys, it's the next day. It's been 24 hours, and this is how the rice looks like. I heard this stinks, bro, and I'm scared. So basically what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna get rid of the rice, and we're gonna keep only the water. That's why I got this strainer with me. This is gonna catch all the rice, and then I'm gonna keep the water, throw the rice away. And then once we have the water and the rice separated, we're gonna put it in this Windex bottle. I know, I'm using a Windex spray bottle, alright? Don't make fun of me. I cleaned it out, don't worry guys, it's all clean. I washed it out like 3 times, just make sure. So first we're gonna open the jar. Hopefully it doesn't stink. I'm gonna smell it, I don't care. Honestly guys, it doesn't stink. It actually smells, it smells like, it's so random, but it smells like mint. I don't know why. It doesn't stink to me. Oh, maybe because I'm using brown rice? Maybe the white rice stinks or something, but this actually doesn't stink. So we're gonna pour this rice water into the strainer. So all this rice we don't need no more. We just need the water. So here's our rice water. I'm gonna pour it in the Windex bottle. You know, I don't have that. I don't know what the thing's called. That thing where it goes like. I think it's called a funnel. I don't have that, so I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. I'm gonna pour it in here, bro. So we have our rice water. It's in this Windex bottle. Hey, you don't have to use a spray bottle, guys. Honestly, you don't. You could just leave it in a bowl and just, you know, like wet your hands, put it on your hair or something. I'm just using the spray bottle. I think it's more effective using one, but if you don't have one, it's fine. So let's head over to the restroom and I'm gonna show you guys how to put this on your hair. Alright guys, so here we are in the restroom. My hair's a mess, don't mind my hair. This is bed hair, by the way, guys. Before I apply the rice water in my hair, I just want you guys to know there's 3 ways to do this. You can either use this as a hair mask, a leave-in conditioner, or you could wash your hair with rice water. In this video, I'm gonna use it as a hair mask. So I'm gonna leave the rice water in my hair for 30 minutes. And when 30 minutes is up, I'm gonna take a shower. And when I take a shower, I'm only using conditioner. And when I get out the shower, I'm gonna use leave-in conditioner. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna take off my bun, bro. Spray bottles will make your life easier, trust me. And also, by the way, guys, wear a shirt that you don't care about because it's gonna get messy. Well, it's just rice and water. I mean, I guess it don't matter. So when your hair is completely wet with rice water, guys, you massage your scalp with your fingers. Let me show you what I mean. So just like run through your hair and like massage your scalp like this, you know, to add more blood flow to your scalp, to help the rice water absorb to your scalp easier. And also, massaging your scalp makes your hair thicker, adds more volume, and it makes it stronger. So always massage your scalp at least, you know, once a day. Alright guys, now that my hair is like completely drenched with rice water, I'm gonna leave this in for 30 minutes and I'm gonna take a shower. And after I take a shower and do all that, guys, I'm gonna show you the end results and see how my hair looks like. Let's see if my hair grew a little longer. Let's see if it looks thicker. Let's see if anything happens, alright guys? So I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Alright guys, what's up? My hair finally dried. Shoot, it took a long time to dry. This is how my hair looks like after using rice water, guys. And I don't know if you can see in camera, but in person, I see a huge difference. Like, it feels so smooth and soft. Like, look, I'm gonna show you guys the back. You see what I'm talking about? You see? See like how smooth it is? Like, it's just like you can see a shine to it. You can see a shine to my hair, bro. It feels a little thicker too, just a little. Not gonna lie. It's crazy, I never had hair this soft before. It's fluffy too, like what? Look at all this, guys, look at all this. Wow, all this hair, man. Let's see if it got longer. Before I put rice water in my hair, I measured my hair. So let's see how much longer it got. So last time I used a widow's peak. So here's a widow's peak again. And I don't know if it got longer. I mean, I'm not measuring, I don't have a ruler on me, but we can just see like how long my hair is. It's only one day. Obviously, I'm not gonna expect results in one day, but let's say I'm consistent with rice water and it's been a month long. For sure, I'll probably see at least 1 inch of hair grow. But regardless, if it doesn't make your hair longer, for sure, it will make your hair smoother, shinier, and like more conditioned. Just look at how my hair turned out, guys. Like, what? But yeah, guys, that's basically it. And you guys should definitely give rice water a try. You're gonna get hair like this if you use rice water. I'm telling y'all. But yeah, guys, definitely give rice water a try, man. And I've noticed when I took a shower, by the way, guys, like I did not have that much hair strands fall off. Like usually I have like 5 or 6. This time I only had like 2. So it made my hair stronger. Like less hair falls out. Like, look, I can go like this, no hair. Yeah, guys, that's basically all for today's video. And please smash that like button if you guys learned something new today. And comment down below any other video ideas you guys want me to do. And don't forget to subscribe to join the Lion Army. You will have a thick lion's mane if you hit that subscribe button. We're at 6,000 subscribers. Crazy. We're almost at 10,000. I can't wait. I'm gonna be doing a special video at 10,000 subscribers. So hopefully we get to 10,000 subscribers soon. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. It'll be in the link in the description. I usually post a lot of YouTube stuff on my stories, so stay updated. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are still watching to this very moment, thank you guys times 2. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.